guys.
And me. Welcome to the bench. We got an update on our under 1,000 subscriber group build, hosted by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop, and also a shop card shout out from Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. We were pretty excited to start exchanging shop cards. Joe's always been a fun one to watch. He presents his builds with a lot of enthusiasm. Makes you really inspired to get at the bench and start creating. His What'd You Buy Wednesday videos are another one that gets us thinking about building. Gives us ideas of tools, things that'll help us be a little more productive at the bench. So always cool content, always fun stuff to see. Definitely check out his Building on a Budget for anyone getting started. That's one of the things that I've found is really helpful, is just making it easy. The easier people can get access to kits and supplies to build them, the more fun they're gonna have. So definitely a good watch. Check out his videos. Definitely recommend it. And as a bonus, we love race cars. So we were pretty excited. Joe threw in a card from racing. We're definitely going to find a spot on these walls for racing memorabilia, and that'll be up there with them. And of course, Joe is hosting the under 1,000 group build, which we are, I'd say we're pretty close to wrapping up. What'd you say? What would you say? Show them where we're at.
Okay. So this is the head.
The head? Is that what the front of the truck is called?
That's what I call it.
I will allow it.
The head.
That sounds good.
And that little piece has to hold this piece. Actually, he put it on.
Yeah.
I tried.
She has the delicate hands, but these big meat hooks have a little more experience, so I was able to get that on there where it needed to be.
Okay, and this is the butt. So that's it.
So I'm pretty excited about how that turned out, and you did a really good job, so I want you to tell them how you did that.
I taped this pole, like the whole thing.
That's it? You just taped it, and then it just magically looked like that?
No, I taped it and then I spray painted it and then I took off the paint. This is inside the body. I think the blue and the dark blue are cool colors together, like a mix, like a two-tone.
Turned out really cool.
Gonna match.
So I'm pretty sure we got everything we want painted, and I think a good build session some night, and this pickup truck will be done. So excited to do a wrap-up video, a final video, and see how all these pink and blue parts look when they come together. Until next time, happy building.